Hey everyone, this is Zombies Hate Candy, a free mobile tower defense game I just finished making. It's a pretty simple game. You defend against waves of zombies with different candy-themed turrets and characters. I've learned a lot of things from making this game, so I thought it would be cool to share my experience. This is what the game originally looked like. It wasn't even supposed to be a tower defense game. I first started with a basic idea. I wanted to have cute-looking zombies in a light-hearted atmosphere. After working on a few prototypes, I decided on a tower defense game. You might be wondering why the zombies are just cubes. I wish I could say it was only my artistic vision. But since this is a mobile game, the main reason was performance. I have to admit it was really fun getting creative with just cubes and textures though. I didn't come across many issues with the actual development of the game. I already knew how to tackle most of the technical hurdles already for the most part, but the real challenge came with me staying motivated to work on the game. Here's the thing, let's be honest, this game was never intended to be the best game in the world. I wanted this to be a casual fun game someone could play to have a good time, and that mindset really made it difficult for me to work on it because I felt like I should be focusing my attention elsewhere, like the main game I'm working on, Blade of 10, which is intended to be the best I can possibly make it. As a result, this game took much longer than it should have. It took me about 4 months to complete, when in all honesty I could have finished it in 4 weeks. But that's okay. There is no point dwelling on past mistakes, we just got to learn from them. Balancing the game was also very challenging. The best way to deal with this, in my opinion, is to get feedback from as many testers as you can. Overall, I'm glad I made this game, and I'm excited to see what everyone thinks of it. The game is free on the Google Play Store. The link for the game is in the description. Check it out and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.